Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to MMJ Ramadan Series 1. Today's recipe is all about how to make a chicken cheese ball. Ingredients are mentioned in the captions, and to watch the full video, click on the link mentioned above. Assalamu alaikum for all my Tamil followers. Inshallah Ramadan neringi kondu varudhu. First Ramadan series chicken cheese balls recipe போட்டிருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கு இன்னும் இந்த ரெசிபி வேணும்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Do try out the recipe and let me know in the comments on what would you like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for the exciting recipes and upcoming videos.